Hello, in front of me I've got Xbox Series S and X controller. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with iPhone. In this video I'll be using iPhone XR. So, in the beginning, turn on your controller and press this button for a few seconds. Now your controller is in pairing mode. On your iPhone, swipe down Control Center and enter Bluetooth settings. Now select Xbox Wireless Controller. Tap Pair and it's connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.